I have a Beko AP930 showing an E8 error code, seems to relate to the ice maker temperature sensor. They seem to be cheap to replace, £8.99. I'm just wondering how easy it is to do this myself. I'm a compitent PC tech and DIY enthusiast. But I don't have a manual as we have inherited this fridge just having moved house. Any advice very gratefully accepted.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years. And currently work for a well-known manufacturer. E8 is indeed an ice maker sensor fault. To replace these are quite easy, but they can sometimes be repaired as it's just the wire which breaks, so if you have a soldering iron and some heat shrink you can repair it. Remove the ice bucket inside the freezer and look at the ice maker tray at the back. Under the actual tray is a white wire. This is the ice maker sensor. Have a look at the wiring and see if you can find the break in there. But if you need to replace it, then you need to remove the ice maker tray. You need to remove the screws either side holding the rail on, and then remove the plastic cover in the top right corner at the back where the wires go. There, disconnect the ice maker wires and sensor wire, and from there you can remove the ice maker tray and access the sensor from there. If you have a multimeter you can test the rheostats. I think from memory it's about 8 combs. But just check the wires, as to be honest 8 times out of 10 it's a break in the wire, and resoldering it cures it. Regards, Daniel T.41689.9159596991.
Thanks for the quick response. I'm going to take a look at midday tomorrow. We'll let you know how I get on.
Hi, no worries, that's fine. Regards.
Interestingly, the fridge is making ice, but just not dispensing it. When the lever is pressed it makes quite a loud graunchy noise, sounds like the motor straining. I can hear the trapdoor pop open, but no ice is dispensed. From what I have read, if the issue was with the sensor itself, the unit would not be making ice in the first place.
Hi, sorry for the delay, I wasn't online this morning. That's correct what you say, usually the ice sensor just stops it from making ice. If it's making it but not dispensing the ice, then it won't give an error code for this part. As the E8 error code means the control board isn't getting the correct resistance reading from the sensor. But if the ice part door is opening and you can hear the motor grinding away, then check the ice bin. Check there is nothing in there stopping the ice from passing through. But also just check the sensor away, given the error code it's picking a fault up on there. Regards.
Not the sensor after all, but a mechanical issue. The noise was due to the motor straining to turn the dispenser mechanism, which was jammed due to a bent tooth in the ice crusher. Presumably the high current draw on the motor also causes an E8 error code. Stripped it down, straightened the blade, and it's all good.
Hi, nice one, glad to hear it's sorted and thanks for letting me know. Strange how it caused the E8 error code, as I've seen this in the past, a blockage in the ice bin or jammed crushes, and never seen it create the E8 code. But at least it's sorted. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.